Hello everyone, I'm Amy Dabelt. I'm a Norwex independent consultant. In this video, I want to share a little bit about Norwex enzymes and biotics, what they do and why we use them in our products. So enzymes play a crucial role in the cleaning power of many of Norwex household products. And I believe understanding their function can really shed a lot of light on why they're so effective and environmentally friendly. So, at the core, enzymes are specialized proteins. They act as natural catalysts to speed up chemical reactions without being consumed in the process. So, in the context of cleaning, enzymes work by breaking down complex organic molecules like dirt, stains, and odors into much smaller, more manageable pieces. It makes them much easier to remove from surfaces and fabrics. So Norwex formulates the products with specific types of enzymes that target various substances commonly found in household messes, such as proteins, fats, and even carbohydrates. By combining multiple enzyme types in our formulas, we create unique blends that ensure optimal cleaning performance across a wide range of cleaning tasks. So I'm going to add a graphic to the screen so you know which Norwex products contains enzymes and also biotics. You'll notice even a lot of our personal care products have them as well. So one of the key advantages of enzymes over traditional synthetic cleaning chemicals is their ability to target specific types of organic matter. It results in a much more efficient and targeted cleaning action. Enzymes are also biodegradable. They do not release harmful byproducts like phosphates, makes them much more environmentally friendly. Enzymes are also extremely efficient at doing their jobs. A single enzyme molecule can catalyze thousands of chemical reactions per second, meaning only a tiny amount is needed to have a significant cleaning effect. This efficiency allows Norwex to reduce the overall amount of chemical ingredients in their products, further minimizing the environmental impact and impact to our health. Norwex sources enzymes from natural origins using a biofermentation process to produce them sustainably. Extensive testing also ensures that the enzymes are safe for household cleaners, giving us peace of mind, especially when we're concerned about the safety of what's in our cleaning products. Now, while enzymes are highly effective at breaking down organic stains, they do require a little bit of time to work their magic. So products like our carpet and laundry cleaners, they do have specific instructions to give you the appropriate amount of time to allow them to break down stains effectively. It's also important to note that enzymes have their limitations. They perform best within a certain temperature range below 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Exposing them to much higher temperatures can reduce their effectiveness. Now, in conjunction with enzymes, we also incorporate probiotics into many of our products. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria. They promote a healthier microbial environment, further enhancing the cleaning power of many of our products. Overall, enzymes and probiotics offer a very safe and effective and environmentally friendly solution for cleaning and personal care. By harnessing the power of nature, Norwex continues to innovate and provide sustainable alternatives to traditional cleaning products. I hope this video was helpful and I hope you have a great day.